K21 Health Foundation is invested in our community. They're forward-thinking and focused on health.
Improving the health, wellness, and quality of life for the residents of Winona Lake and Kosciuszko County.
Back in 1967, when we had a nonprofit hospital here in town, when it was sold and there was a profit to be invested, that investment went back into the community, and that's when K21 was founded.
It turned out to be a wonderful asset with the money that was generated from the hospital to fund all these great quality of life programs that they've been involved in.
It's just a cross-section of the community. They have given out over the years, or at least approved, $45 million in funding since their inception.
But the K21 Foundation and the Community Foundation, for that matter, have really stepped up and input a lot of seed money into other non-for-profits.
We had a fund at the Community Foundation that is called the Good Samaritan Fund. K21 saw the value in that fund, so annually they gift to the Good Samaritan Fund to help meet needs of families in our community who are struggling with health issues.
You know, the K21 Foundation has been involved in our next generation of students coming up. They provided resources that have helped in everything from healthy eating and healthy living to physical education, creating a healthy lifestyle that follows with them all throughout their lifespan. They've also been able to provide such things as tower gardens in every one of our schools that help students understand healthy living, being able to grow plants right there in front of them and be able to actually even try those plants as a resource.
Honestly, the K21 Foundation has had a huge impact on Big Brothers Big Sisters. Most recently, just in this past year, to see some of our volunteers showcased on billboards all over the county has really inspired other community members to stand up and become bigs themselves.
They have really targeted programs like for instance, our bike festival that we have every year in the village at Winona. It's become probably one of the largest events that we have in the town of Winona Lake every year.
Joe's Kids has been blessed to be one of their many grantees. Our involvement with the K21 Health Foundation began while the clinic was still just an idea. It was with their support that we were able to get a pediatric clinic up and running in Kosciuszko County.
I think the best example of their passion for our community is the Health Pavilion. It was a building that was constructed by K21 to meet the needs of the not-for-profit organizations that are residing in the Health Pavilion. So the Well Child Clinic is there, WIC. It is a fantastic facility for our community. We're really blessed by K21's investment in that.
They've also been involved with our tennis court, the Limitless Park, and sponsored a large portion of our splash pad.
You know, the foundation has been all about helping us with our trail system, our walkability, rideability in the community, not only the city, but the town of Winona Lake and the surrounding county.
They helped fund our initial greenway, which is part of a portion of the Lake City Greenway that's about an 8-mile linear path. And then most recently I funded an additional portion of an extension of the town of Winona Lake's greenway that we call Heritage Trail.
Get people out on their bikes and walking as again a means of a healthy lifestyle.
We really didn't know exactly what that would bring to our community, but people are out there by the hundreds.
In a community of our size, it's very normal to expect you're not going to have access to specialty care, or you're not going to have access to trails that you can safely bike on, or clean lakes. And to have all of this not only is supporting the health and wellness needs of our residents, but it's helping our community to continue growing and thriving because it's a place that people want to be.
So I would like to thank the K21 Health Foundation for the work that they've done.
Congratulations on 20 years of advancing your mission.
This award could not be going to a better organization.
So I want to give a big congratulations to K21, in particular Rich Haddad, for this award tonight and their ongoing support of Big Brothers and Big Sisters.
We want to congratulate Rich Haddad and the Board of Directors of the K21 Foundation.
To Rich and your great staff at K21 Foundation, this is a very well-deserved honor, and congratulations.
Thank you to the K21 Foundation, and we congratulate you on 20 years of service to the community.